So TikTok just released a new cool app. So like keyword insights on TikTok. So like TikTok is becoming more and more closer to search engine. So it's not like just using their like famous algorithm to recommend videos, but a lot of teenagers especially using TikTok to search for information, just like as Google. But modern generation, they don't want to use Google. It's very too much text, too much letters. They just want to watch short videos and in any topics, any education. And this is like a very interesting opportunity for marketers. Like you can just discover very interesting topics. You can so sometimes the topic which goes viral on TikTok, after a few days it then goes viral on YouTube, Google, and other websites. And it's just very often TikTok is the place where you see trends are born, and some viral trends, viral apps are highlighted very often. For example, some apps which are going viral on TikTok, then they're just pushed to the top in the App Store, or some like software which is highlighted there. So yeah, you can track your marketing campaigns. So it's an interesting new tool. So you can select different country. You can find the popularity change. So for example, if I just go and enter here, I will find some keywords. I can set up industry, like apps, for example, and then I can find objective, app installs, traffic reach, keyword type, selling points. So a lot of different things. Then I can just see like AI app, and then I just want to see details of that. And then most used as a voiceover related hashtags, popular keywords, and then you can just see breakout. Popularity change reflects the change in the number of videos that appear based on the current keywords and related keywords, related hashtags, and you can also trend some breaking out hashtags. So yeah, it's kind of like a Google, AdWords, Google Ads tool, where you can also track some keywords, and I guess then you can just buy ads for that. So quite fun. So here you can just sort by popularity and have just like a different view. And then like keywords, this app. So that's the idea, but usually it just goes through the, you can see related videos. You can see examples of ad copy. But mostly if it's just in a voiceover, then this app, then it's not that precise, because people are just talking over. I saw my friends using this app, or this app that this, so it's not like very precise. Like, would be interesting to see more like intent keywords when people actually are searching for these keywords, or this is just analyzing the voiceover text, and I have no idea what's the approach here. So yeah. So yeah, that's basically the idea. As you see, I don't even need to log in here or create an account, but that's what it is.